Hello, second graders. You did an excellent job today trying to figure out this crazy way of thinking when you're making 100 to add. But like we chanted today, your main focus tonight for your homework is to figure out what numbers make 100. And it's not just the number 100. It could be 100, 200, 300, any number that's making 100 and which one is closest. So here's an example that we did in class today. 199 plus 43. So you're going to ask yourself, out of 199 versus 43, which one is closer to 100? And you're thinking, oh, it's got to be 199 because that's super close to 200. Now, 199 was the closest to 200. So we did this in class today. We just gave it a little cloud or a bubble to remind us that that's the one that it's closest to. Then the opposite one, the one that's further away from 100, that's the one that the book tells us to make the trees where we're going to decompose that number. But don't decompose yet, because we're used to thinking, oh, 43, tens and ones, 40 and 3. But we knew from today's lesson, it's different. So the way we did it in class, we took that 199 and we asked ourselves, 199 plus what equals 200? Because we know 199 is closest to 200. Well, we know if you just add 1, you're going to get 200, starting at 199. Then you've used that 199 already to get to 200. But what you didn't do anything with is 43. So I had my guys today put that 1 already up there because I know I have to do something with it. I just didn't magically get it from the air. So now knowing 1 plus something, and I even could put a little plus sign in here, 1 plus something equals 43, or I can subtract. 43 minus 1 is 42. That's how I got this number bond, 43, and then 1 plus 42. So now I've used 43 because I've decomposed it, and I've used that 1 already, but what's left? I haven't used 42, and I haven't used 200. So now all I have to do is add 200 plus 42 equals 242. And this is crazy way to do it when it's written out. But if you think about it, this is all about mental math. And if I told you, like I did today, put your hands behind your back and tell me how are you going to get from 199 to 43 and add them together, you're going to have to do it mentally. So most of us would do it like this. Oh, Mrs. Evans, you taught us how to traditionally add two-digit numbers. So I know 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Carry the 1, plus 1, that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yay! Carry the 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 2. 242, 242. You get that same answer. This whole crazy way is just your brain thinking in your head and then you writing it out. So it's kind of like the math talk that we do in class. So this is the way we did it in class, but then we had to transition to your homework. And this isn't your homework because I'm not going to give you the answers to your homework, but